Hello guys, so this is the last episode of this season. Wow. I have spoken a lot. Now I realize that I did like around 80 videos. Crazy. I will show you. I kind of promised in last episode to discuss about the ancient Indian culture, basically. Let's say, not say traditions, because tradition means like something is forced. Culture means like it's a system which people have adopted to for better efficiency or whatever reason, It's like democracy. So now I don't know, I am not a expert in all of these things. Basically what I am doing is from my place of understanding, whatever I have thought and whatever I have analyzed, that I am presenting to you. Okay, I was thinking today, so maybe we can create like spiritual products also. Maybe that's how I can survive myself. Because everyone wants money these days. Who cares? You cannot live like Buddha. Like okay, take a ball, nobody will give you food. That doesn't matter. So basically you have to play the game how the opportunities are. And that's where like we will clear this one also. So I know this will be flipped. So you won't understand what is written unless you just pause the video, like flip the screenshot or whatever. How can we make this unflip? We cannot do that, right? So basically what is this? So this is a model of an ideal human life. So let's say an ideal human life is of 80 years or 100 years. So this was the old Indian model. So what was the old Indian model? It's like, okay, 1/4 of the life you learn, okay? Then 1/4 of the life you spend in earning. Earning means like, because we need to take action. Otherwise, like constructing homes, getting food and all of these things. Because that is also important stuff. It's not like something not important, because that's part of life. That's where you use your intellect and everything and you take actions and all of that. Then 1/4 of the life you spend close to nature. So this is generally like forest dwelling or dwelling in nature, you can say normally, okay? And then the last 1/4 you leave everything and you kind of like realize the entire game. So this is a model, okay? So let's not talk about like good, bad and all of this stuff, okay? So there is a model, and this model is given by it's like in the ancient, I don't know which book it is, but it is must be in some book like Vedas or something. Some book must be there. So this is the ashram model of life, okay? Ashram means like first stage, second stage, third stage, fourth stage. So you can look at this as a video game. So this is like level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4. This is how you play. And now I have drawn the model that we are following today. To show you like how this model is actually so much better than what we are doing today. and we think like, oh, we are, that one was not working. But this one is like completely infunctional. So what is this model? So this model is 1/3 of your life you spend in learning. So from around age 4 to most of the people like age 25. So 75 is the average life, okay, these days. So 1/3 of your life you spend in learning, okay. Then 1/2 of the life, like till the age 65 or 60, you spend in earning. Now in this model, this was like 1/4. Now look at how much time this is now. So from 25 age to 65, 40 years. So in old Indian model, if you take like 75 as the life, this must be around like 1/4 of that. 18, 90, 19 years, 20 years let's take, okay. If do 80. So this is 20 years, and now you are working how many years? Now you are working 40 years. So double. So you are working more. What about this like living with the nature? Oh, that part is gone. Nobody cares about that anymore. And what will happen in the even in the last like 1/6 of your life or last 10 years? You will be staying in some old age home, TV will be there, or you will be on your bed, you will be like sick, you can't get up, you don't have anybody to take care of you and nobody, okay? So it's like that. While in this model, everything was taken care of. Why? Because this people who earn, they don't earn for themselves as such. Like the model was, at least in theory, it was like these guys will earn and these guys will provide for all of these also. Like people who want like spiritual or who are in the next stage. So they will sustain all the other stages. So like this guy will be like householder, like mother, father, and this guy will like take the burden of teaching somebody who is in stage 1. And this guy will also take care of somebody who is in stage 3, maybe like their parents or something. It's not actually like parent family relation. So if you just see it in your family, then you are gone, because this is actually not just like family structure, because after this family is gone, if when you go and live with nature, there is no family anymore, you have left family. So it's basically you hand over entire thing and you go and live in forest or something, and then finally even in forest, maybe not forest, let's say living in the nature, like more close with the nature, and then finally you sannyas, or basically you leave everything. And this model is based on the theory. It's like when you start, you need some practical knowledge in the life to survive, like which food is edible, which food is not edible, all the advancement, that experiments we have done, what is the wisdom out of all of this, okay. And then you need this place so that the human beings can keep going, so the species can keep going, okay. So it's like you will have children, you will have a family, and you will earn. Earn means because these are the guys who will drive the society. These are the guys who will protect the society. You know, these are the actionable karma yoga, basically people. So these will be like protectors who will provide food, who will do all of these things. And then when they go to this third stage, then they will be provided. You understand? Look at how nicely this system is designed. Today, even after working 40 years, the government cannot even provide pension you for 5 years. Like still most of the government are going bankrupt in that only. And look at how they must have like balanced and thought of this system, in which only you only need to work in like 1/4 of your life, and everything else is either learning or actually going towards the spiritual journey. I, I will take that. I will 20 years of working. That is fine with me. But and it is designed like you start from the zero. So like child, no memories, nothing, like pure life form. It comes, and then finally after it reaches the peak of physical existence, or the peak of what do you say, intellect and everything, then you start going down, and finally you become zero again. So at the time of your death, you will be like, I am dying, and you will be like, thank you. It should be like that. How many people die like that? Tell me. How many people die is like, okay, yeah, so much has happened, such a nice life, and you're like, yes, let's go. Very few. Like I look at like even oldest people like around me. When I went to India, I like, that was my like, I wanted to observe everyone. I was like, what is happening? Most old people are like so attached. They don't want to let go. Even though they have seen so much, they have seen like all of this is bullshit. But still. So this is like now let me put like what my power basically. Where do I lie? Or like not my power, like something I have discovered. It's like the concept of like, so this you are looking in terms of time, right? Timeline, like 20 years, like timeline, right? But if you keep reducing it, I can look this in what is timeline. Year is like, what is year? Is a combination of days. 365 days makes a year, and a day is combination of day and night. Okay, and if you even, let's say, let me broke it like in first that model. So this time model, if you keep kind of like breaking it down, so this is like your life. I broke it down first in terms of sections, which is like composition of years. So like 20 year section. Okay, then here I am breaking it down in terms of just one day, like day and night. So this is like the daytime, and this is like the night time, whatever you do certain activity. I have not plotted this because what I want to actually discuss is this part. And if I break this down into like the minutest thing that our concept can understand is like this. So this is like present. Present means what? Like this moment. So right now this video is at 11:55, 11:56. Present is going. It's running. You understand? It's like 12 minutes now. 12:01, 12:02. It's gone. So this is not a static model. It's like a dynamic model. Okay. How? Where the problem that we, what you say, like get stuck in is like this dynamic movement. So that this dynamic movement, I have nothing like this phone. I don't care. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just speaking in front of a phone, and that is the reality. Okay, or not even phone. Let's remove the phone also as a concept. I'm speaking in front of a glass in which I can see a person speaking. I have identified that person with myself or my identity, but it's just a person speaking or a visual happening and a sound coming. That's it. Nothing else. The same thing AI can also do. It can create a visual and a sound with it, and it can create all of this. Like if AI can create like Van Gogh paintings and all of this, can't the AI create like message like this? Very easy. Most of the people, they don't understand this concept of present. What is present? The moment I speak, it's gone. Now it's 12, 13, 20, 13, 21. So how do we live our life? We live our life is like, so right now this moment, 13:30, exactly this moment, am I completely aware of what I have been given? What I have been given means, like I have these beautiful trees around me, and this is like so silent. Even these things are rare. It's not like like this, like that. I mean, there are some mosquitoes, but that is fine. That is also part and parcel of what is given. But even sitting here, if I enjoy this moment to the fullest, and I keep moving with the time, and I enjoy every moment, let's not even say enjoy, let's say I will be aware of every moment, like what is given or what is here. That means you are completely in present. Got it? Do you see people, they are like blanked out, they are like, and then someone calls them their name and they're like, huh? I do a lot. It happens, it still happens with me a lot. So when you do that, it means you are not actually using the complete moment that was given to you. You are only using the mental, or not even mental, like the intellect portion of it, the brain portion of it. So this is another distinction that I want to make. We need to do it because it's so confusing. The science has like fucked up all these words. Okay. Brain is this.